Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about the e-learning platform CertBolt. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go back to the content of this video. So CertBolt is an online learning platform where you can get a lot of different video courses as well as some free exam questions and answers for certifications provided by various top companies and the professional bodies like EC Council. So now let's see what are the products and video courses available here in CertBolt. So if you see their products, just hover products here and you can see here various top companies as well as some professional bodies like EC Council. So you can see here Microsoft, VMware, HP, ITIL, Scrum, Checkpoint, Google, Citrix, PMI. So these are all certification bodies. They all provide some certifications. So what you can get in this platform is you can get some question and answers, that is real question and answers that are asked in the exam by these organizations. For example, let me go to Amazon here. So just click on Amazon here. And it will take you to a page like this in which you can see all the Amazon certifications offered by them, like AWS Certified Advanced Networking, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. So these are all the certifications that you have. And if you go to Amazon exams, you have all the exams that are offered by Amazon. So if you click on any certification or exam, you will be, so let me first click on it here. So let me click on this one, AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty. So if you click on any certification or exam, you will come to a page like this in which you can see question and answers for this particular exam. So if you click on download, you can see here free download. You can click on it and get real question and answers that are asked in the AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty Certification Exam. So make use of this. There are a lot of certifications on products. Actually, if you click on products here, you can see there are a lot of, for example, EC Council is the top one, and you have Cisco, Microsoft, CompTIA. So if you click on CompTIA, you will be going to the page where you can see all the certifications and exams provided by them. And if you want, you can simply click on any certification or exam. So let me click on this one here. You will be going to a page like this in which you can see that you will be getting 215 question and answers. So you can simply click on free download and download all the question and answers that are asked in these real certification exams. So other one is video courses. So if you click on video courses here, you will be coming to a page like this in which you can see all the courses that are offered by them. Again, these are all related to the certification and the exams offered by top organizations as well as companies. You can see here CompTIA, Microsoft AZ, Cisco, Amazon, Microsoft again, and there are a lot of featured courses. And if you scroll down, you can see all the video courses that are available. All these resources are available for you for free. Make use of this if you are really preparing for any certification exam offered by any top company or the professional body. So what you have to do is, first step is to create an account in CertBolt. So first let's do that. Click on login here. And if you already have an account, you can give your email ID and password and login. And if you are coming here for the first time, click on register new. And you will be taken to a page like this in which you have to give your email ID, password, and you have to confirm your password again and click on register now. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So once you log into your account, you will be coming to your My Products page. That is, in this page, you will see all the courses or the product, any product that you take. So for example, I have already enrolled in this one, Microsoft 7339. And let me again show you how to enroll in the courses. So go to video courses. And you will see all the courses that are available. So simply click on any one here. So let me click on it. So AZ104. So once you go to the course, you can see here start course button. Click on that and you will be directed to the course itself. So you can start learning from there. So if you go to my account here, you will see all the courses in which you have enrolled under active products. So what you have to do is simply go to video courses and click on any course that you like and click on the start course button there. So that's how you need to enroll in it. And as I already said, there are tons of free question and answers for certifications provided by these top companies as well as some professional bodies. So make use of this also. Go to products and go to any platform that you like. Go to Microsoft if you want. See all the certifications available. You can download real exam question and answers. This is the best thing about this platform. So make use of this opportunity. Go to CertBolt and make use of this if you are preparing for any exam. So I hope you all liked this video. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.